Well, as promised earlier, we're going to take you to Bloemfontein now, where all 12 accused in the Thabo Bester prison escape case are expected to appear in court when the matter resumes today. Now, the state is due to announce whether the case is ready for trial. This after it was previously postponed for further investigation. So, for more on what to expect in the courtroom today, let's cross to our reporter at the Bloemfontein Magistrate's Court, Kamogelo Siekwe. Kamogelo, good morning. So, we all, of course, awaiting that announcement by the state and also progress towards the actual trial when the hearing resumes this morning. So please tell us what you know at this stage.
Good morning to you, Sakina. Well, today we expect that the prosecution will announce whether they are ready to take the matter to trial. You remember that in the previous appearance, when all the 12 accused in this case appeared in court, including Thabo Bester, that the court said that postponement would be a final postponement, and the next appearance, the prosecution would have to announce whether they are ready for trial. And the defense, of course, did say that should the prosecution not be ready to take this matter to trial, then they will have to take recourse in terms of challenging the delay in this matter. But with me, I am with Thabo Molete, who is a legal analyst, and I just want to bring him into this conversation. We were discussing briefly just before this about whether this case would be ready in 6 months.
Remember, we're living in South Africa, and it is, a tradition in South Africa, if not a custom, that the legal processes, sometimes they go a long way. Now, in this instance, we appreciate the fact that the last time we appeared in court, there was a commitment made to say that today, prosecution or the state will be ready to proceed. But from where we are sitting, we are far from proceeding. The state is not going to be ready today, and the other factor is that we might see, I'm not saying that with certainty, but we might see change in the legal teams of the accused people. So based on those two facts, I'm of the view that we are not ready to can proceed today.
But in the instance that the prosecution says we are not ready, what kind of action will the defense teams take?
Remember that there are various aspects or grounds that might lead to the prosecution not being ready. One of the grounds is that as the investigation unfolds, new evidence might come to the fore, and that will force or that will compel the matter to be remanded. But in terms of the Criminal Procedure Act, the defense might raise undue or unreasonable delay to say this matter is being delayed unreasonably. But of course, the state would put forward the reasons why they are saying that the delay is not unreasonable. For example, as I said, investigation might propel that the matter be remanded or be postponed once again. So those are the issues that might transpire today.
Thank you so much for your time, Thabo Molete. They're just taking us through what might happen. The prosecution is of course under pressure today to take this matter to trial, as the defense did say before that this case has been postponed so many times. They've even said that the police were supposed to investigate the matter before they arrested people, but in this instance they were quick to arrest and then investigated this matter afterwards. And today we will see whether the prosecution will indeed say they are ready to take this matter to trial. And if it does go to trial, then it means that this matter will go to the Free State High Court here in Bloemfontein, and that's where the matter will be tried. But we will keep you updated throughout the day in terms of what will be happening. For now, let's take a break.